So COVID-19, for some kids, it's changing some of the ways that they play.
Yeah, maybe wearing masks at playtime, setting up a socially distanced tea party, or playing remote learning. Parents might be surprised and somewhat startled to see their kids sort of playing COVID. Alise McGregor is the founder and CEO of Little Newton's Early Education Centers, joins us live on Skype. Alise, have you seen this in some of the kids and students out there?
Yeah, and it's interesting because children mimic behaviors, and as we know, there have been a lot of behaviors to mimic, whether it's wearing a mask, like you said, playing socially distanced, or even having COVID. And I think that we have to understand that that's how children learn and also cope with the behaviors of what's going on around them.
So if parents see this happening, is it something that they should be worried about?
No, at first I took a pause when I saw, them putting masks on their dolls or, kind of playing COVID, but realizing that imitating is the way to cope. It's an opportunity for parents or caregivers to talk about what the children are doing and allow for them to then, express their feelings or maybe what they're thinking about.
Alise, this really isn't that different than if you see your kids playing with dolls and one doll starts beating another doll, or any of the kind of normal stuff that for generations we've seen kids do, right?
Yeah, and my best example is hearing a child talk on the phone or, replicate what their parents say, how they talk on the phone or how they communicate with others is really indicative of what they see, whether it's at home or with their caregivers.
Boy, you've seen, right, Heather?
Oh, so the other day when I heard her say, be sure to watch my YouTube video, and I thought, okay. Oh my gosh. So Alise, I wonder though if this, you said start having conversations. This might be an opening to have some conversations and maybe ask kids, like, how you feeling about this?
And that's the thing. Kids know way more than we think that they do. And I think opening up a conversation, but also asking them where they heard and what questions they have, because children piece things together from what either they hear parents talk about, they see on TV, or a friend is saying, and they're piecing it together and it may not be actually true. And so it opens up a conversation for parents to really kind of streamline the communication and the knowledge that they have.
Good stuff. Alise McGregor, thanks so much. We appreciate it.